26 na Canadians ang itinuturing na low risk sa hantavirus ng Public Health Agency ng Canada.
We were notified of 26 individuals that were on flights that a case was on, but were not considered to be contacts because of where they were located in the flight, and they did not have any interactions with the case. So those 26 were reported to us from European authorities as being no risk. We've decided to take a precautionary approach and instead consider them to be low or minimal risk.
Di naman daw kailangan mag-self-isolate ng mga individual. Nakipag-ugnayan na sa kanila ang mga local public health ng bansa para ipaalam na lulan sila ng flight na may kaso ng hantavirus.
They are in various places across the country, but local public health is working to get in contact with all 26 of those individuals to ensure that they are aware that they were on that flight, that they have information about what symptoms they need to be watching for, and that they're being monitored throughout the at-risk period.
Samantala, 9 na individual ang itinuturing na high-risk contact. 4 ang naka-isolate sa British Columbia, 2 sa Alberta at 3 sa Ontario. High-risk ang individual kung pasahero ito ng cruise ship na nagkaroon ng hantavirus outbreak o di kaya'y nagkaroon ng malapitan at mahabang contact sa positibong kaso o hinihinalang tinamaan ng hantavirus.
It's one strain that can do it. And we're seeing that it's prolonged contact and prolonged close contact. It's all flashbacks to COVID. But number one, this is a known virus.
Ayon sa family physician na si Dr. Anna Wolak, di raw kailangan maalarma. Bagamat rare o bihira ang virus na ito, may impormasyon na raw ukol sa hantavirus at alam na ng public health ang gagawin. Walang bakuna kontra hantavirus. Tama at sapat na medical support ang kailangan ng mga tinatamaan nito.
It's kind of like COVID, kind of like flu. It's you get a fever, you get a cold, you get a runny nose. The scary thing about hantavirus is it can progress quite quickly to something called hantavirus pulmonary syndrome, which requires ICU support.
We do not have any evidence that shows that the virus can spread from asymptomatic people, and so there is no reason for us to be concerned about contacts of contacts at this time. So our concern rests with individuals who were exposed to a confirmed or probable case of hantavirus, not those who were contacts of contacts to the virus.
Rhea Santos, Omni News, Vancouver.